Okay, hi guys. I'm doing a very late night Lion Plus skincare topic. So hopefully, and I'm trying to whisper because it's 1:07 in the morning. I have to wake up really early. So when I have to wake up really early, I just generally just stay up all night because I'm not a morning person. I'm a night person. I like to stay up at night late. Excuse me, I'm what you would call a night owl. I'm not an early bird. But I have to meet up with an early bird relative that loves to do things at the crack of dawn. And believe me, when he is starting his day, that's when I'm just ending my day. I like to go to sleep around 2 o'clock in the morning or something like that. I like being in the dark. So as you can see, this room is really dark and it's very comfortable and very cozy. And it's just really nice. So I decided to give you guys a little video. I'm going to do some fancy editing on this, so I don't know at what time this will go up. Probably it'll go up around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Today is July 27th. So listen, guys, I wanted to talk to you about Kojic acid soap. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to stand up because I don't have on any clothes. And I just realized I forgot part of what I needed for this video. And I'm not going to re-record this video, so you guys just going to have to try to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me tell you something about soaps. Okay, you have some soaps that are made that actually vanish very quickly, and they actually can't be out in the water or they can't be out in the elements. So you have to get like a plastic container, like a Tupperware container, and you have to put the soap inside of a Tupperware container. You can't leave it out on a soap dish. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you right now, this is the Kojic Sans soap. Okay, the Kojic Sans soap looks like this. Hold on, let me get it out. It's a very thick bar. It smells really pretty. It lathers up extremely beautifully. It has a thick lather. But this type of soap, if you leave it in a soap dish, it will just evaporate and disappear. Okay, so you cannot ever leave this soap. This is what this soap, I don't want to touch. Okay, you just have to take my word for it. This is the soap. And this, okay, let me show you something. Okay, this is the soap. This is what it looks like after using it. It just kind of starts disappearing. And it starts kind of like just melting away. This is some soap I'm using mainly for my hands. I use it daily, just 10 times a day to bleach my hands, and it works pretty good, but this is what it eventually turns into. It's actually just melting on my desk. Okay, this soap right here that I'm going to show you is the soap that I use. It is an exfoliating soap. It doesn't have very much of a smell. It got all these little prickly things that you can't see on here. It's loaded with little prickly things that is designed to exfoliate your skin. Okay, this soap, you can leave it out. I've had this soap for over a month. I've had this soap almost for 2 months. The bar was about, seriously, about like that thick. It was super thick. I use this also daily, but I've been using this mainly on my face because it's not so stingy. It doesn't sting. It doesn't burn. This will actually be on my website too. And guess what, guys? I have talked to Amazon. I talked to Amazon.com, and they actually showed me where to find those fucking those tools that I needed to build my Amazon store. So I was able to find them tonight. And I called Amazon, and they were like, usually you're not supposed to connect to us because you're supposed to only send us an email. But due to the coronavirus, we're accepting your call tonight. And I'm so happy that they directed me to right where I got my tools. I got all the tools that I need to set up the Amazon store. So I'm really happy about that, guys. I'm not going to do the store tonight. I'm going to edit this video tonight, and then I'm going to film another video after this video. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you the differences in soap. This is one soap that doesn't evaporate, and this is another soap that does evaporate. This one I've had for a little bit over a month. This one I've had for 2 months and it's still in good shape, and I still got a ton of soap left. This one was actually $5.99 at the beauty supply store. So listen, guys, make sure you take care of your soap, and make sure that this actually doesn't hardly even have a smell, but it does work good. It works really good, guys. I'm in a black room with a fucking light ring on and no extra lights. And you see what my skin looks like? I just got out the bathtub and my skin is super smooth, isn't it? Okay, so anyway, guys, that's all for now. Je suis la femme la plus heureuse au monde. Au revoir.